Matthew, can you pull up your pants?
Mine doesn't have very much hole and yours does. Well, mine has less than yours. Because I've been scraping all my thing out. This is all my stuff, Katie.
Joe, you can do this.
Okay, this is going to make it a little easier.
Smell them. Mom, that's really... pumpkin hands.
Do you want to smell your pumpkin hands? Let me see.
This is a little bit.
They smell like pumpkin hands.
I'm gonna get pumpkin hands.
You just smelled pumpkin hands. So
I did.
don't think about that.
I'm gonna... when
Try
I'm
to
done,
get-
I'm gonna be like...
You guys, try to get at least most of them in the bowls.
with my pumpkin hands. There's a lot of seeds in each of our pumpkins. Look how much is in that bowl.
Yeah, because that bowl's you and Matthew. This is my bowl. Oh, my stuff in this bowl.
This is what we got, Katie. This is what we got. This is our seeds.
My pumpkins.
I can't wait to carve mine.
I don't wait to come.
But we have to put our... Was our... Mom,
Hmm?
you have to use candles and put them inside, and we have to put the lids back on.
That's true. That's why we save the lids.
And to see what it looks like with
The lights inside.
the lid back on.
You know, look like a pumpkin.